Assalamu alaikum guys. Today I think we need to make another video, and in this video we'll be talking about something really trendy in the ocean of tech, and that is GitHub Codespaces. What is Codespaces? Codespaces is an online development environment. Yeah, okay, who cares? Because you've got 10 billions of them on online development environments. So what's so good about Codespaces? Remember when you would have to stay like 2 weeks just for setup? Well, GitHub gave a solution to that problem just a few days ago in their annual event called Zapsplat. And that solution is what we're going to be talking about in this video called Codespaces. So you would have to install the dependencies, test things, and search and download and delete, and the list goes on. Well, now you don't have to do all that. That's what GitHub aimed for. Some extra info. Codespaces is powered by Visual Studio and posted by GitHub. Currently, GitHub Codespaces is in beta and available for free. It's not supported on Firefox, and there are also issues on Safari. Use Google and Microsoft Edge for the best experience. You can install extensions you need very quickly, just like you could in VS Code. A little look around. So let's take a quick look at the website. That's definitely the best way to have a look. I don't know if I've access yet because there's a waiting list. But as soon as I do, I'll show you how it actually looks like on the inside. So let's go to GitHub Codespaces, features Codespaces. So github.com features Codespaces. So you basically get the full Visual Studio Code experience without leaving GitHub, and I think it's amazing. So in this thing here, you can see how you open the Codespaces and you can type without any installing or anything like that. And if you want to request the early access to get on the waiting list, you would click on that button that I just clicked on now, and you would sign up for the Codespaces beta. Well, already I'm already on the wait list, but you would have this sign up thing for you if you've not already signed up. So actually, it's actually really good. Just by watching a few videos on it, I think it's actually really good. So yeah, you don't have to install the dependencies and everything. You can read a bit of these frequently asked questions. Oh, and this is one that I didn't know as well. But what if you don't want to develop in a browser? Well, you can actually open a Codespace in GitHub and then connect to it in VS Code. And then you would install an extension on your app VS Code so that you can connect it. So yeah, you can read these. Okay, so let's get back to the presentation. So now what do? Obviously, you'd sign up for the beta at github.com features Codespaces, the website that I just showed you now. So one thing, if you hate setup, which is definitely me, everybody, I don't know who everybody is, but everybody, if you hate setup, do it now. You'll regret it later. Thanks. Be sure to subscribe for updates, smash the like button, share my videos, and I'll see you in the next video.